Ke Museum Jalan, Kareta Api. Visiting the Railroad Museum. Minggu kemari pasar perek sekolah mak mawa kuring jeung adik kuring ka Museum Jalan Kareta Api di Baltimore. Last week, when we had break from school, my mom took me and my little brother to the Railroad Museum in Baltimore. Arurang ningali rupa-rupa kereta api zaman baheula. Ieu kuring jeung adik kuring hareupeun kikiping kereta api. We saw many kind of old trains. Here we were in front of the wheel of one of the trains. Ieu salah sahiji contoh tempat lembah lengan zaman baheula na kareta. This is one of the example of an old sink in the train. Ieu salah sahiji contoh toilet dina kareta zaman baheula. Dijieunna tina kai. This is one of the example of the toilet in an old train. It is made of wood. Ieu salah sahiji contoh kareta nu nakeun kuda jang narikna. This is an example of a train that used a horse. Ieu salah sahiji gerbong dina kareta api khusus di mana susuratan dipisah-pisah. Here is one of the room in the train special for sorting out mail. Ieu salah sahiji contoh tata rohangan di jero kareta kuda. This is the example of the interior design in the horse train. Ieu contoh salah sahiji lintasan kereta api zaman baheula. This is one of the example of a railroad crossing in old time. Ieu koleksi jam dinding di stasiun kareta baheula. Jam dinding diperlukeun nara penumpang bisa ningali waktu nu bener hitunganna. This is a collection of old clocks in the old train station. The clocks are needed in train stations so the passengers can check the proper time. Para pagawe di stasiun perlu nepeng stopwatch yang memastikan keakuratan Jadwal Kareta. The employees in the train station need a stopwatch to make sure the accuracy of the train schedule. Ia rohangan yang menerkan kareta nu rusak. This is the room where they fix the train. Ia tempat sare dina kareta zaman bahala. This is the bedroom in the old train. Saenggas kuku rilingan di museum kuring yang adi kuring naik korsel yang kan capek. We took a rest on the merry-go-round after we walked around the museum. Museum, train, Kareta api, railroad, Jalan Kareta api, wheel, kiki ping, old, bahala, sink, tempat, na, ba, lengan, wood, kai. Example, contoh, horse, kuda, special, khusus, mas, susuratan, tata, jiro, rohangan, interior design. Crossing, lintasan, clock, jam dinding, time, waktu, accuracy, keakuratan, fix, menerkan, bedroom, tempat, sare, walk around, kuku rilingan, merry-go-round, korsel.